Hello and thanks for watching. This is RC Surf and the surf bench here, and I guess this is video log 2 in my little mini quad world. So I just uploaded a video. I was having fun the other day flying and I hit this branch and did a little tumble, and when it settled I flew back because it seemed real nice and smooth, except it didn't look like it broke anything, but there was a little crack right across the front there, and that's it right there. Arms were good, and this is the Martian 220 millimeter with 4mm arms. I also have a 250. I believe the 250 was real ACC, and this looks like it's ready to sky, but it's basically the same. It's pretty decent quality overall. I would say that the carbon fiber is pretty nice. Not perfect. Just a couple little powers. They don't mean. I don't think that mean too much. A little chip here. But for the price, it's really inexpensive. I think it was $25 from Amazon. I'll put a link to that one. Had a great flight, and then I hit that branch. So this is really the first time, because I really like my electronics here, having to swap out, and it's easier than I thought. So I pre-built the base, and it's ready for the flight controller. And this is what the Maytech 405 CTR, which I like very much, and I have caps pretty much on ESCs and also the power. Running a Spectrum satellite, and this is the rotor-right version of the Runcam Swift 2, I believe. Which is good. I bought the rotor-right one because about a month ago when I put this together, it was seemed like everybody was buying the Swift 2s, and there was no Swift 2s available. So basically just moving the electronics and swapping them out of here, and I should be ready to go. And this is the top plate's pretty much the same. It just has my VTX, and it's a switchable 25 to 600, and I use a little tape to just clean everything up. But basically I can plug in, when I put this right on top, I can plug in my video coming out of my flight controller right in here to here, and I'm ready to go. That way I can separate this as a separate piece. And new people that want to do get into the mini quads and FPV, and I've been telling them to get a little tiny whoop, just practice, but they don't realize that once you get to this after 2 years, you become a microelectronics and video transmission expert, and which I enjoy. It's part of the hobby as much as the flying and everything else, and maybe also video cinematography editor. But it's a great hobby, and I really enjoy it, and it's just amazing. So again, I tell them, new people, to do that, because if you buy one 200, 300, whatever you spend on a new FPV quad at anywhere from 150mm to 250mm, if it breaks like this and you don't know how or what you're doing, you might as well just put the money in a toilet, So if people get interested in the mini whoop, they're pretty much going to get hooked and go through the education phase and start building their own, etc. But in any case, this is just taking all the electronics from one quad and basically transferring them to the next one. These are the Maytech 405 CTR, and these are NIC IDI, the city 32-bit BL-Heli 32-bit ESCs with the LED, which I like very much. This was running at D-Shot 1200, and it really flew smooth and nice. I think I had in maybe 2 or 3 videos ago a little oscillations on Immelmann's that I made down, and I just added 1 or 2 to the derivative, and also a little bit more P gains on roll, and that smoothed it out, and just couldn't be happier. I mean, through the evolution of mini quads over the last 2 or 3 years, with Betaflight 3.3, and these 32-bit ESCs, and the motors are our Emax 2205, 2650 kV, and the props I'm running right now are 40 or 50, 46. I like them a lot. 50, 46. Yeah, these are really good. So so that's the video. Thanks for watching. It's an ad-free video. It's with less than 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 minutes watched. I don't have the YouTube money coming in, and my account was up to like 80 something this year. They paid me 100 last year, which was nice, you know. It's a little more incentive to post and stuff, but this is my vlog, and we'll keep going. And if you have any questions or comments, and I appreciate if you subscribe or like, and thanks for watching.